What's the meaning of blisteringly? Blisteringly. Blisteringly.
Blisteringly. Blisteringly. The word blisteringly is an adverb used to describe something that is extremely intense, fast, or hot. It can be used in many different contexts, including weather, sports, music, and work. For example, if you say that it's blisteringly hot outside, you mean that the temperature is so high that it could cause blisters on your skin. If someone runs a blisteringly fast race, it means that they ran it very quickly and with a lot of energy. In music, a blisteringly fast guitar solo would be one that is played at an incredibly high speed. Overall, the word blisteringly is used to emphasize the intensity and speed of something to convey a sense of urgency or excitement.